Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So we all know about Instagram notes. So here you can see. So you have seen most of the people are using a white color background notes, but you can post it in a colorful way. So your notes will look very different and very attractive. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to post your notes in a colorful way. Open your Instagram account and go to message. So here you will see in the top left what's new. Just click on this one and you can write the notes you want to write it. So I'm writing this and click on this pencil icon. You will see the multiple colors option. So for now I am selecting this one and I will click on apply. If you want, you can also add a location here. I will add this and I will click on share. So here you can see how my notes is looking here. So this is my second account. Here also I have posted my notes. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.